Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that how you can trim your videos using CapCut PC. So if you have some unwanted parts in your video and you want to get rid of them, then follow these steps. So just import the video in CapCut timeline and you can see that I have a video in timeline. Now let's say I want to trim the end in the start of the video for a couple of seconds. You want to hover your mouse at the end of the video until the cursor turns into these little lines with two arrows. When it does, just click once and then start dragging your video to the left side if you want to trim the end of the video for a couple of seconds. You can repeat the same step for the start of the video, so hover over to the start until the cursor turns into this icon, then click and drag the video from the left to the right side until you are happy with your video. And when I play the video, I am left with the part which I need and I successfully trimmed my video. But what if you need to trim the video but you need to start somewhere at the middle because you need that ending part of the video and you can't trim that? We can trim the video by making a couple of splits. So what you need to do is to put the playhead to the part of the video where you want the video to start and then find the split option which should be just above the video timeline. Here it is for me and you can see a little C letter in the brackets, and that means that we can click on the C letter on our keyboard and that's going to create a split. So do that split for the start and the end of your video and just delete the unnecessary parts that you don't need. And that's how you can trim your videos using CapCut for PC. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.